In the previous video, I have discussed about what is SDLC, but in this video, I am going to discuss about what is SDLC models. There are different types of SDLC models. The first model is waterfall model. So in this video, I am going to discuss about what is waterfall model, advantages and disadvantages of waterfall model. Waterfall model. So it is the first sdlc model to be used widely in software engineering to ensure the success of the project. Waterfall model is a classical model used in system development life cycle to create a system within a linear and sequential approach. It is termed as waterfall because the model develops systematically from one phase to another phase in downward fashion. So it is called waterfall model because it provide a downward fashion. It means first it will complete the first phase, and after completion of first phase, then it will complete the second phase, and then it will complete the third phase. So we can say that the output of first phase is the input of second phase, and the output of second phase is the input of third phase. So that's why it is called as the waterfall model. In the waterfall model, there are different types of phases. First is requirement analysis, second is system design, third is implementation, then testing, then deployment, then maintenance. So in the requirement analysis, the aim of the requirement analysis and specification phase is to understand the exact requirement of the customer and document them properly. So in the first phase, we have to understand the exactly what the requirement is, what is the requirement of customer, and the requirement is documented properly. Second phase is system design. The requirement specification from the first phase are studied in this phase, and system design is prepared. Basically, system design helps in specifying hardware and system requirement, and also help in defining overall system architecture. So in the third phase, it is implementation. With inputs from system design, the system is first developed in a small program called unit. So in the third phase, the system is first developed in the small programs, as we can say the small programs as a unit, which are integrated in the next phase, and all those units are integrated in the next phase of the waterfall model. Each unit is developed and tested for its functionality, which is referred to as unit testing. And the fourth phase is integration and testing. All the units developed in the implementation phase are integrated into a system. After testing of each unit, the software design needs to be go through constant software testing to find out if there are any flaws or errors. Testing is done so that the client does not face any problem during the installation of the software. And the fifth phase is deployment of system. Once the functional and non-functional testing is done, the product is deployed in the customer environment or released into the market. And the last phase is maintenance. So the step occurs after installation and involves making modification to the system or an individual component to alter attributes or improve performance. The client is provided with the regular maintenance and support for the developed software. Advantages of waterfall model: it is simple and easy to understand and use. It is easy to manage. Requirements are very well understood. Clearly defined stages, phases are proceeds and completed once at a time. Disadvantages of waterfall model: high amount of risk. not good for complex and object-oriented programs. Poor model for large ongoing project. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.